What if we could scale blockchain like the internet, achieve the same level of security as Bitcoin, the functionality of Ethereum smart contracts, and the speed of Solana, all without making any trade-offs? What if there was a blockchain that was as scalable as it was secure and sustainable? Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the future of blockchain with a project that is changing the game, a project that's blazing a trail towards mass adoption without sacrificing on security, decentralization, or speed. Today we'll be discussing Alph. But before we dive into what makes Alph stand out, let's take a step back and look at the current state of Web3. We have blockchains like Bitcoin that are secure but slow, Ethereum, which is smart but congested, and Solana, which is fast but has faced stability issues, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. The fact is that in its current state, Web3 simply can't explode in popularity until we find a way to make scalability, security, and sustainability coexist. Until then, we're just building castles in the sand, and this is where Alph comes in. Alph is the missing link, the piece of the puzzle that we've been missing. Since its inception, Alph has been on a mission to build a blockchain that is not only fast and secure, but also sustainable and easy to use. And they're doing it in a way that other projects can only dream of. So what makes Alph different? Let's start with their innovative approach to sharding. Unlike other projects, Alph uses a novel technique called stateful UTXO sharding. This allows them to shard the data of the blockchain while still allowing smart contracts to operate efficiently on the entire state of the blockchain. No more complex setups, no more limitations, just pure efficiency. Next up is their groundbreaking consensus mechanism, proof of less work or POLW. This consensus mechanism is up to 90% less energy consuming than Bitcoin's proof of work. They've taken a giant leap forward in terms of sustainability without sacrificing on security. This means that you get the benefits of a highly secure blockchain that won't break the bank or the planet. And let's not forget about Alph, Alph's very own programming language. It's designed to be developer-friendly, safe, and efficient. With Alph, developers can write code once and run it on any blockchain that supports smart contracts, making it easier than ever to build dApps that can truly thrive. Finally, let's talk about throughput. Alph is capable of handling thousands of transactions per second while still being completely decentralized. This means you get the speed you need without sacrificing the principles that make blockchain so powerful in the first place. But it's not just about the technology, it's also about what you can build with it. Inside the Alph ecosystem, you'll find a growing number of wallets, DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and bridges to other chains. For example, Alph has developed their own mobile and desktop wallets, making it easier than ever for users to interact with the network. Their DeFi platform offers scalable trading, lending, and yield farming, opening up a world of possibilities for investors. And their NFT platform allows for high-speed minting and cross-chain support, bridging the gap between different NFT ecosystems. And if that wasn't enough, Alph has recently introduced new bridges connecting it to Ethereum, Bitcoin, and more, making it easier than ever for users to move assets across different chains. These are just some of the exciting things happening within the Alph ecosystem. But perhaps most importantly, we're seeing a growing number of developers choose Alph as their platform of choice, building innovative and exciting projects that push the boundaries of what's possible in Web3. As we look to the future of Alph, we can expect even more exciting developments. The team is hard at work on enhancing cross-chain compatibility, expanding developer options, and funding grants to encourage innovation within the ecosystem. In fact, Alph has committed to investing over $10 million in scaling the network and funding initiatives that promote its growth. It's clear that Alph isn't just a blockchain, it's a platform for the next generation of Web3. So what does this all mean for us? What makes Alph the blockchain of choice for mass adoption? The answer is simple. Alph is the only blockchain that is both sustainable and secure while offering the speed and scalability necessary to handle the demands of the next generation of users. It's a platform that is ready for prime time, a blockchain that is ready for mass adoption. It's clear that the future of blockchain isn't about choosing between speed, security, or sustainability. It's about having it all. That's Alph. If you're as excited about Alph as we are, be sure to follow them on X and join the $Alph community. And if you're a developer, Don't forget to check out their developer portal where you can start building on the network today. And if you're an investor, you might want to take a look at their token, Alph. Now is the time to get in on the ground floor of one of the most exciting projects in the space. This has been a quick introduction to Alph. Stay tuned for more updates and insights into the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching.